welcome or welcome back. We are doing quite a few things today. We are doing some Wicked, Shut the Fridge 2.0, and we need to do our village savings. So I don't know how we're going to do this, but we're going to do it all. So stick around. All right, I just watched Donna Powered by Creativity, the live that we do every Sunday. And I need to put my money in my challenges. So let's do, they're doing $20 every week. I am doing 20 quarters every week. So put my $5 in here for Prosperity Bear. And I'm also doing, they already did the Pooh, but I'm doing them together. So $5 in there. All right. Now, I don't remember what color I even did, so we're gonna pick one. 20 quarters is $5. And we're gonna do a 20 for that. And then Prosperity Bear is in my classic. Somewhere in the back here. Yeah, in my live stuff. All right, do our 20. And we're good to go. Okay, now I think we're gonna do Shut the Fridge, and then we'll end with Wicked. All right, let's put that over there. We're doing this with quarters as well. We have $5 that goes into the bank binder, and then we have $5 in quarters. This is my prop money. And we're gonna roll an 8-sided. Put the quarters in there, mark off what we like. All right, that's an 8. I think I'm gonna do 2. There's a lot. So let's do 2 each. Since I'm not marking anything off, I'm gonna fast forward through this part. All right. Now, every time I play this, I won't fast forward because this is actually supposed to be on my Saturday video, and I just didn't go back and do my Saturday once I finished my Build-A-Bank savings. So, this is by Mish Money. She will be tagged in the description, of course. And that's super cute. Shut the Fridge. She has multiple versions of her Shut the Fridge, and then she made a section game out of him. So section 1 didn't get anything. Section 2 got 2. And I don't have mine on the back of each of them. So what do we want to do? Oh, and these are supposed to be scratch-offs. If you're going to get this and don't want to see the numbers, don't watch this part. All right, 2. We are doing, let's just do a 2 down here. I kind of want a dark color. Kind of don't have a dark color, so I'm gonna go with, let's go with the blue we had. So just gonna mark off that. Put this in here. There we go. Section 3 didn't get anything. Section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 6. All right, what are we gonna do? This is color and choose amount. You can choose an amount or roll a die on these. I think I'm gonna go with the numbers right now. So let's do, and even the popsicles have the color and saves, roll and save a couple spots. You can do a lot of ways of saving in these sections, so go grab it. It is super cute. All right, section 4 is done. Section 5 didn't get anything. Section 6 got 2. Let's see what we got. This is shut the box, so I don't want to do that. And we got 2, so we're just gonna mark the 2. Yeah, I'm gonna color in the 2. Is that how we do it? Are the little desserts? I think you can choose an amount for those. Saves 55. I don't know. Mish, what did you anticipate us doing? Do we mark off the numbers and choose an amount for the desserts? Or does the number coincide with the dessert? Let me know. I'm gonna do what I want anyway, but I like to know the purpose, you know, when folks make stuff, just so I can explain it right. All right, section 6 is done. Going in there. Love. Section 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got a lot. Let's see. What we gonna do? Well, let's do this. It's kind of a plinko, drinko kind of thing. And we're gonna do a 6-sided. So where are we starting? 3. I don't have my little dinky dice. 1, 4, okay. 6. Which cup we drinking? Which cup? 5. Yeah, we got 6. And we have 6. That works. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I don't mark anything off because I want to keep doing that. Cool. Maybe next time we'll do that and do one of the roll and saves. All right, I did not expect to have to do a quick version of this, but I'm doing this right after work. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to play it. So let's see. I think I want to do, well, but which ones do we want? You roll a die. Okay. So we're going to roll a D4 and we're just going to pick grapes. Grape jelly is going to be a 1. All right. So we're going to put 1. Okay. And these are quarters, but we're going to roll a die. and 4. Peanut butter is expensive. All right. So we have, what do we have? 4? Yeah, we're going to do a peanut butter. I know this is not how she does it. You're supposed to roll. If you get an odd, you mark off one of the jellies and pay what you roll. Roll a die. But what we're doing, we are determined, put a denomination on both. And we're going to do peanut butter. Just put a 4 there. Yeah. I would probably do it differently next time because I like doing that. Yeah. That is it for today. Yeah, I love setups like this. This is super cute. I love the graphics, the different ways to save. I really want to put little scratch-offs on the ones that you got the scratch-off section, but I just finished a couple orders and I don't want to wait until I get more scratch-off stickers. So we're going to play. All right, so that is Miss Money, her Shut the Fridge 2.0 is what I'm calling it. I don't know what she calls it. Randomizer, I believe. I would just be naming stuff, folks. That's what I like to call it. So, last thing. I was too lazy to try to find my prop money. So, we're going to play our Wicked section with real cash. And then I will switch it out when I get some of my old binders cleaned out. All right, we are going to play our Wicked game. This is from Kimmy's Budgets. Asian Girl Budgets on YouTube. I'll just grab some of these. All right. Let us, what are we doing? You're supposed to roll a colored die. I don't have one of those. So we're doing even and odd. Okay. We rolled the amounts for who wins. So green is going to be odd. Pink is going to be even. And that's how we're going to determine who gets a, what do you call them things? These things. Yeah. All right, let's go. 4. I don't think I need that. 3. A 4. A 1. I don't know why I thought that was funny. 3. 4. Guys, I am super excited for this part 2. 4. I gotta find someone to go with me. It's usually my sister, but I don't think she's watched the first one. I have to ask her tomorrow. She's like my movie buddy. She loves going to movies. Oh, Alphaba's gonna win. And I say that and then I get another even. Let's try. Oh, I shouldn't have said anything. Should not have said anything. She won. That works for me. Team Alphaba. I don't know. I kind of switch back and forth. But Alphaba, you know, the whole story behind her, I kind of gravitate towards that. So we're going to put our $1 in for that. I'm going to put it in the front so I remember. I know I don't like real money in all my binders. Okay, we haven't done this in a minute, so we need, I don't think it matters. This is not a, oh, what am I trying to say? A competition between these two. Just fill them in. Oh, wait a minute. We're doing a D4. I even wrote that on there and still messed it up. 1. All right. Let's do one more. Oh, I'm sorry. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 27. We have $27 for Wicked. Oh, what was that? All right, we're just going to do it again. At 3. All right. So we owe 1, 2, 3. But we're going to take this, put a 5. Okay? Okay. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm really looking forward to this. After I procrastinated about watching this thing, now I needed to hurry up and come so I can watch and figure this out. I mean, you know the ending, but then you don't know the ending. All right, next one is from Stuff and Budget. And we're doing a roll and save, but I added some stuff in here. So we're gonna move these to quarters. Yeah. We have 4 of them, so we're gonna move them to quarters. So we are doing, we're gonna do 25 now. 25 cents. Yep. I don't know how we have 2 that we started, but that's what we're doing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go ahead and finish this. That just messed up the whole thing I was doing, but whatever. All right. Ooh, that is horrible. So this is $1.50. It has a mark on it. We'll just put that in the back. We just won't look at that. All right. Now, we're going to start marking these off. So that's the $2. And let's do one more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's $3 into Stuff and Budget. Yes, I'm good with that. Yeah, we have more from both of these creators, so I'm gonna get through them. All right, this next one is also from Kimmy's Budgets, Beijing Girl Budgets on YouTube, Kimmy's Budgets on Etsy. Looking for my scratcher. There we go. All right, this will not going to do quarters. Yeah, not going to do quarters on this one. All right, we have another pink crown, which means we are rolling a D12. D12. D12, D12. There we go. Let's bring this back out. What are we doing? Oh, 11. Do I even have 11? Well, I got a 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. That's what we're doing. I said we're not doing quarters on this one. All right. There we go. Now, I added 1, 2, 3, 4 from the Wicked, How Wicked Could You Be challenge creation competition. And I printed this, okay? Go check all these folks out. The competition is over, but they made such pretty and inventive challenges for this. So this is linked under Beijing Girl Budget's video descriptions. And it'll take you to a spreadsheet and you can click on the links and go to the challenges. Okay, if you don't know what this is, she has at least 3 videos explaining this and showing all the challenges and playing them. So go check her out. It's the only reason I printed that. All right, I'm gonna start with this is Wicked Roll and Save from Regina Wright. Now, I was trying to see, okay, doesn't have a YouTube channel, but this is Regina Wright. So we're gonna roll a D4 just to start this off, because I like it. Simple, yet pretty. I like the pretty. All right, what are we putting in here? A 3. Okay. And we're starting off with the 3. And we're doing dollars for this one as well. Okay. You get 2 on a sheet. So I'm just using 1. There we go. Now, let's do, this is Bad and Good, the box challenge from Creations by Muneca. And we have, how many sections do we have? That's an extra savings. So 6 sections. Well, let's do a 6. And we'll figure it out as we go. How about that? All right. Now these, we have 5. I kind of want to play this, and we'll play the other 2 next time. So that's what we're going to do. All right. And we got number 6. This is extra savings, so I kind of want to leave that for like a catch-all. So that's what I'm going to do. And then when you get this, it does have the back, so it's double-sided. You print it double-sided. All right, number 5. Section 5. We could roll or we could just mark off. What we want to do, what we want to do. We're supposed to save 3 for each book. That's what it is, I believe. So that's what we're going to do. We are going to just mark off and put our 3. Okay. We only have $2, so let's see. Ah, yay. Section 2. I don't think I have these in order. Nope, because there is a section 6. Ah. Okay, let's back up. Let's back up. So, we have a section 6. Yeah. I think the other 2 is going to go into here since I messed myself up. I'm not even looking. Look, 1. Section 1. Extra savings, actually. This is section 1. Let me get this right. All right, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. All right, both of these, it says extra savings, but that's section 1 extra savings. So we have 2 section 1s, maybe? Section 1A and 1B? Yeah, let's do that. All right, extra savings, we'll just put in the back. And then the cute cover. All right, let's do this again. We're going back to section 6 since we actually have one. And we're gonna put the $2 in there. Yeah, let's do it this way. There we go. That is all we got. The other 2, I will show you what I chose, because all of 4 of these are from the competition. Until next week, I'm gonna put this away. All right, thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. We did a few things. We did this. Did our Prosperity Bear, our Pooh savings, our Shut the Fridge. That is so stinking cute. And our Wicked. So, not bad. Everybody got a little bit. So, I'm gonna let y'all go. I need to get ready to go to bed anyway, after I get this video up. Hope everyone had an awesome day, awesome weekend. Tomorrow's Monday. You will see this on Monday, but today is Sunday night, so I'm gonna let y'all go. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.